Stuff. We love our stuff. Some of us have a lot. Some of us not so much. But imagine all the extra room you'd have if you set your stuff on a little staycation. You could dance, or have a party, or practice your kung fu moves. Enter Stow Simple, the simple way to store, catalog, and safeguard your stuff, all from the comfort of your couch. Here's how. Step 1, go online and order your bins. Step 2, put your stuff into those bins. Step 3, we'll pick up your bins. It's as simple as that. We'll even photo catalog your precious belongings so you can request them back anytime you want. Even the big stuff. It all goes into our super duper safe and secure climate controlled warehouse, and we'll bring back your stuff anytime you want. We should all be so lucky. Stow Simple. Your stuff, a click